Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to change your avatar in Merge Garden. If you want to give your garden profile a fresh look, then you can change your avatar in quick and easy steps. First of all, launch open the Merge Gardens game on your device, and from the main home screen, go to the top right corner and tap on the menu button. From the expanded menu, click on Friends. Under Friends, tap on Edit Profile. You will then end up in this Edit Profile section, from where you can select your avatar from the list at the bottom. Choose an avatar from the available options and click on Save, and this will change your profile picture right away. So that is how you will be able to change your avatar in Merge Gardens quick and easy. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.